Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Nova NHT 1045 beard trimmer. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says create your own selfies. Okay, that's their tagline. Maximum precision, amazingly simple. It has 0.25 mm of precision trimming, so it goes down to that much. It has silver alloy steel blade, and it has a washable attachment. And as you can see, they've given some product features. So again, 0.25 mm precision, precision cutting blade, ergonomically designed body, and for all kinds of beard styles. So that's what you've got over here. It comes in different color options. So there's 1, 2, as you can see, there are 6 color options that this comes in. This is the black one because it's sticked over here, so it's black. And on the back, okay, they've given different there's a cartoon of different kind of caricature. So you got the Zappa, Rap, Industry Standard, Friendly Chops, Ducktail, different types of beards, basically goatee. Okay, and let's just go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with the Nova seal on top. So we'll just, it says kindly charge it for 8 hours before initial use. So do note that it's good to charge this for 8 hours before you actually use it. Pull it out of the box. So there you are, it comes like that. You have a user manual inside the box, and you get this packaging which contains your beard trimmer. So take it out of the packaging to show it to you guys. So that's what it looks like. It has, remove the plastic, there is this plastic wrap that comes on the front. Take that off, and it's quite sleek, as you can see. That's where the batteries go. I'll show you how to set this up in another video. It comes with some attachments. As you guys can see, you have various attachments over here. There's your power cable. This is cleaning fluid, and this is a cleaning brush for you to clean the hair off your attachments, and there's a battery. So there you are, folks. That's what you get in the box when you buy the Nova NHT 1045 beard trimmer. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.